Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So student, today our question is if P is equal to 13 and 1 divided by 13, Q is equal to 19 and 1 divided by 19 and R is equal to 247 and 1 divided by 247. Then find the value of P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQR. So student, today in this video I will tell you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from the given condition. So student, given that P is equal to 13 and 1 by 13. So we can write from this mixed fraction 13 plus 1 over. Okay student. So we can write from this mixed fraction 19 plus 1 over 19. So student, let 13 is equal to A and 19 is equal to B. So we can write from this expression A plus 1 over A, and we can write from this algebraic expression B plus 1 over B, and R is equal to 247 and 1 divided by 247. So we can write from this mixed fraction 247 plus 1 over 247. So student, we can write in the place of 247 13 into 19 plus 1 over, again in the place of 247 we have to write 13 into 19. So student, if you take 13 is equal to A and 19 is equal to B, so we can write from this algebraic expression A into B plus 1 over A into B. Okay student. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression, so we have to find the value of P square, Q square, R square and PQR from the value of P, Q and R. So student, the value of P is equal to A plus 1 over A. Then the P square will be A plus 1 over A whole to the power 2. So student, now to simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to apply the formula A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this formula we have to apply on the right hand side of this equation. So we can write from this algebraic expression A square plus 2 into A into 1 over A plus 1 over A square is equal to, again we have to write A square plus, we have to cancel A from numerator and denominator in second term. So we have to write in here 2 plus, in third term here is 1 over A square. So we have to write 1 over A square. Okay. The value of Q is B plus 1 over B. So the value of Q square will be B plus 1 over B whole to the power 2. Okay. To simplify this algebraic expression, we have to apply the formula A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So according to this formula, so we can write from this algebraic expression B square plus 2 into B into 1 over B plus 1 over B square. So we can write from this algebraic expression B square plus 2 plus 1 over B square. So student, the value of R is equal to AB plus 1 over AB. So we can write in here R square is equal to AB plus 1 over AB whole to the power 2. To find the value of these algebraic expressions, we have to apply this formula. So student, according to this formula, we can write from this algebraic expression a into b whole to the power 2 plus 2 into a b into 1 over ab plus 1 over ab whole square. So again we have to write from this algebraic expression ab whole to the power 2 plus, so we can cancel ab from numerator and denominator in second term. So we have to write in here 2 plus again we have to write this third term. So we have to write in here a over ab whole square. So the value of pq will be, so we have to multiply the value of p and q. The value of p is a plus 1 over a and the value of q is b plus 1 over b. So if you multiply both algebraic expression, so we can write in here a into b, that is ab, plus a into 1 over b, that is a by b. Okay, and again we have to multiply 1 over a with b, then you get b by a, plus, and in the fourth terms we have to multiply 1 over a with 1 over b, then you get 1 over a into b. Okay, to find the value of p, q, r, so we have to multiply this algebraic expression with the value of r. Okay, the value of r, that is ab plus 1 over ab. So we have to multiply this algebraic expression with this algebraic expression. Okay, so we can write in here ab plus 1 over ab into ab plus a over b plus b over a plus 1 over ab. Okay, so student, if you multiply both algebraic expression, so we can write in here ab whole to the power 2 plus a square, plus if you multiply ab with b over a, then you get b square, plus if you multiply ab with 1 over ab, then you get 1. Okay, and similarly if you multiply 1 over ab with ab, then you get 1, plus 1 over ab into a by b, then you get 1 over b square plus 1 over a square, plus in last term we have to multiply 1 over ab with 1 over ab, that is 1 over ab whole square. Okay, so student, so we can write from this algebraic expression a into b whole to the power 2 plus a square plus b square plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus again we have to write 1 over b square plus 1 over a square plus 1 over ab whole square. So student, to find the value of these algebraic expressions, we have to put the value of p square, q square, r square and pqr in this algebraic expression. So we can write in here the value of p square is a square plus 2 plus 1 over a square. Okay, plus the value of q square is, the value of q square is b square plus 2 plus 1 by b square. Okay, so we can write in here b square plus 2 plus 1 over b square, plus the value of r square is ab whole square, ab whole square plus 2 plus this is square plus 2 plus 1 over ab whole square minus, so now we can put the value of pqr in this place. Okay, so we can write in here the value of pqr is ab whole square plus a square plus b square plus 2 plus 1 over b square plus 1 over a square plus 1 over ab square, ab whole square. So now we can write from this algebraic expression a square plus 2 plus 1 over a square plus b square plus 2 plus 1 over b square plus ab whole square plus 2 plus here is 1 over ab whole square minus, to remove this second bracket, so we have to write ab whole square. So here is minus sign, minus plus minus, so you have to write minus sign, a square. If you multiply minus with plus, then you get minus b square. So here is also will be similarly, you can write minus 2 minus 1 over b square minus 1 over a square minus 1 over ab whole square. Okay, so now we can cancel minus a square plus a square in this algebraic expression, and similarly we can cancel plus b square minus b square. Similarly you can cancel plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 over b square minus 1 over b square. We can cancel plus 1 over a square minus 1 over a square, and we can cancel plus ab whole square, and in last time we can cancel 1 over ab whole square and minus 1 over ab whole square. So in this algebraic expression there is plus 2 and here is plus 2 is left. Okay, so if you add 2 plus 2, then you get 4. So student, the value of this algebraic expression will be 4. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.